You, oh my god, man. Like, seriously. No, leave me the fuck alone. I'm not joking. Oh my god, man. Like, seriously.
Look at them yellow ass teeth. Oh shit. I'm gonna do this the whole thing.
Jesus. People these days. What? What you looking at? What you looking at?
Fucking ugly ass faces. Dude, this is gonna be a series. Don't worry, this is gonna be a hit. Watch me come on the news one of these days.
In the Tyra Banks show?
Fuck Tyra.
Fuck you. Alright, stop it.
Give the bird attitude one more time. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a true bird.